Remember, it was Joe Biden and Kamala Harris who laughed at the vaccine being created within a year and saying it was a fancy. Nancy Pelosi, who was getting her hair done during the middle of a vaccine. When you've got these double standards coming from Democrats, you've got, the Democrats laughing at the idea of a vaccine actually being pushed by the end of the year. It creates all this uncertainty. So it's no question that there's this reluctancy. They create it. But if you really want to restore public confidence, you've got to do two things. Number one, fire Dr. Fauci. And number two, you've got to fix the border crisis. You can't allow people to continue to pour into our country unvaccinated, and you have no idea who they are, who they're exposing, what they've been exposed to, and then you're going to lecture Americans about how we stay safe. It just doesn't work. You've got to fire Dr. Fauci, and you've got to fix the border. That's how you restore confidence in the CDC and those that are giving guidance about vaccines and masks.
And